Welcome back to the garage, everyone. Today we're gonna go changing out the spark plugs because, to be honest with you, I took that out of the garage a couple weeks ago. It was like creeping up into the 50s. It was like 40 something degrees out, so I had to get it out. And what I have noticed with our access port, we were running a little lean now that we have stage 1. So we have to go stage 1 colder, NGK iridium spark plugs. Now, I did gap them inside because if you haven't noticed, it's a little chilly out here. So I gapped them to, I believe, 28. Now, if you really know how to gap them, look it up. I'm not going to gap them. I've already done it. But we are going to go move some stuff out of the way so we can get these into the car. And then hopefully I might find another nice day to take it out and see if it's helped. But until then, it's going to sit in the garage, so might as well do something with it. Alright, so what we need to do now is we at least need to get the cover off, at least get this pipe undone from this so that we can move it out of the way, get to the coil packs. And then we lined up our tools so that I don't have to move around too much. But you're going to need an 8mm socket, not only for this, but for the coil packs. And then obviously you need your spark plug socket, and if you're like me, you need an extension and all that fun stuff. But we gotta get all this stuff off so that we can at least get to the spark plugs. Alright, so the packs that we're gonna get to, I should probably clean these up, it's a little dirty. But the one pack that we need to get to that this is blocking is this one. The rest of them are all, you can get to them. So all we're going to do is just loosen it up from here and here, and then just kind of like move it out of the way so that we can get to it. Now that we have our intercooler piping out of the way enough to where we can reach the bolts, we're going to take coil packs out. We'll go from there. But first we're going to unplug our coil pack. Try to take off this little ring. Alright, as you can see, that's still going to be in the way. Try your best to use whatever you can to get it out. Other than that, just give the coil pack a little twist, and it should come right out. So there's our coil pack. Set that off to the side. And there we have it. That is what our old coils look like. I'll gap them before the end of this and tell you where it's at. But these have been on the car since I bought it. So it is time to change it. Now definitely that we are tuned, it is a good idea to change it. But these are the OEM Ford plugs. It's going to be difficult to see, but our new plugs are gapped at 0.028. Which was recommended from what I was told and everything that I've done research on, between 2.6 and 2.8. So I pre-gapped all of them. That way I can just come out here and get this done. But if you take a look at our factory plug, I see that it is gapped about 0.03433 maybe, which actually isn't all that bad, but it doesn't hurt to change the plugs out. Like I said, these got probably 27,000 miles on them. Now, the manufacturer, so NGK, does recommend that you torque them down. I believe they said 106 inch-pounds. Now, if you want to convert that, that's about 8.8 or 8.9 foot-pounds. Now, my torque wrench, I believe, doesn't go that low. So you could do the old German spec and just Guten Tag. So that's what we're going to do. Tighten it and do about another 1/8 of a turn. And that's about 8 to 9 pounds. Don't quote me on that. This is just what I've read, what I've done before. So that's how you change your spark plugs on your Focus ST. Whatever plugs you want to go with, whatever you're comfortable with, whatever you've researched, I would just suggest going with that. You can't do wrong putting new plugs in. I mean, you probably could do wrong putting new plugs in, but as long as they're gapped right, you really can't hurt too much. I do recommend doing your research, looking stuff up, get on the forums, talk to some people, and get comfortable with what you're doing. But that's what we have for today. I'm not going to show you the rest of the plugs. They're all exactly the same. That last one's just the most difficult with the intercooler piping. Whether it's stock or not, it's going to get in the way. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos. We got more coming up. As you can see, the garage is a mess again. I have some more stuff coming up. Unfortunately, it's not car related. I've been trying to get into some woodworking stuff because I gotta keep my interests going. The car is never gonna go away, but we are gonna get into some other stuff. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that on this channel. If you wanna stick around and maybe watch me fail completely at doing woodworking stuff, I'm gonna start a new channel. I'm gonna start a new Instagram. So if you wanna follow me, stay tuned. I'll keep it updated on this channel, but we're gonna try to do some cool stuff. And I'm hoping I can at least make something for the car with my new venture here. But stick around, we got some more stuff coming up. Next time I take it out of the garage, I'll definitely update you guys. I'll bring you along, but I just drove it to work for like 3 days because it was nice out. I'll see you guys in the next video.